Good morning, miss. My name is Marjorie Adlawan. Today, I will be performing a post-operative bed. And first is prepare the foundation of the bed as of an occupied bed. Place rubber sheet with towel or draw sheet for patient's head to protect the bottom sheet. Place top cover on the bed as for closed bed, but don't tuck nor mitre the corner. Place the blanket on top of sheet if needed. Fold top sheet from top, making a cuff about 6 inches from the top of the bed. Do the same with the lower part of the sheet, with cuff even with the edge of the mattress. Fold the top cover of the side foot of the bed. Place the pillows either on a chair near the bed is in an upright position at the head of the bed. And then prepare the unit of the arrival of the patient and remove unnecessary articles.